ultraviolet bulbs, also known as UVC. It's used to kill bacteria and keep ductwork clean. Never dealt with ultraviolet. I've dealt with a lot of ionization. I was excited to be able to learn about UV because I'd never done it before. I feel like I've got a good handle on it. I've done about 3 buildings worth at this point. I got called to this job site because of my controls background to terminate these ionizers and the UV stuff. And I was like, all right, well, I guess I'll learn about it. So I did my research. I asked engineers, I asked the guys at Southern Air. They helped me get the resources I needed to immerse myself in this to be able to install it. Because ultraviolet is bad for the human eye, it's like looking at the sun for too long or looking at the arc on a welder. You don't want to look at this directly. We are interlocking the ultraviolet with the fan. When you open the unit where the bulbs are installed, that specific door has a door switch on it. So when you open it, the bulbs shut off before you have a chance to actually even look at the lit bulbs. We put an hour meter that tells us how long the bulbs that have been installed have been in current use, and that's interlocked with the fan. When the fan turns on, the meter turns on and gives you an hour reading on how long the bulbs have been installed. There's external indicator lights that tell the actual bulbs are functioning. That's just a precaution to keep the maintenance guys safe and anybody who would have a reason to open the unit.